Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elis Luciana. In this opportunity, I will discuss of the 5 best-selling online shopping application in Indonesia. The first is Bukalapak. Who doesn't know Bukalapak? This online shopping place is very popular among shopping lovers in Indonesia. This cannot be separate from the easy of application to be used because the interface of application is quite simple. In addition, this online shopping application also make it easy for users to shop. The thing is, you don't need to bother log in to online shop. Fun again, important menu such as transaction easy to find. One click, you can immediately access important menu for online shopping at Bukalapak. Last but not least, the information about the seller in Bukalapak is quite complete. You can also top up via Bukalapak application. Unfortunately, despite its many advantages, it turned out that the Bukalapak application also has shortcomings. For example, users are slightly inconvenienced if they want to buy an item. The second is Lazada. Besides Bukalapak, Lazada has also become the application of choice for many Indonesians to online shop. This application is very easy to use, especially by novice users. There are clear and detailed instruction on the application homepage shortly after the application is installed. Because of that, you could say the appearance of the Lazada application interface is quite friendly. In addition, the Lazada application also provides clear information regarding an available item. Thus, users will more easily find out whether the item is still available or not. Unfortunately, to shop via Lazada application, you must log in first. In addition, important menus in Lazada application are also hidden, perhaps as a consequence of a simple appearance, but overall, shopping online at Lazada is quite fun. The third is Tokopedia. Indonesians also love to shopping online at Tokopedia. The proof, Tokopedia has been named the best nation children application in 2016 by Google Play. You see, this Tokopedia application can be used to top up and pay BPJS contribution. In addition, Tokopedia application interface is very simple and catchy. Not to forget, important menus such as the transaction menu and also purchase category menu are easily accessed because it is nearly organized. In fact, important product information is quite clear and very easily accessible. Unfortunately, if you shop via Tokopedia application, you must log in first. Make it safe and comfortable when shopping anyway. But for those who are not too happy with the long-winded registration process, this obligation can be a fine online shopping sensation. The next is Blibli.com. If you want to shopping online, then don't forget to use the Blibli.com application. You see, this application is very friendly for new users because there is kind of detailed instruction regarding the use of the application. In addition, this application can also be used to top up credit. Really easy, right? Display Blibli.com application interface is arguably very simple. In fact, product information is very easy to access and you don't need to bother log in first when you want to shop. Shopping at Blibli.com application is also very easy. The reason is you can access color and size choice of shoes easily. Track the purchase column or chart. Okay, the last is Elevania. This Lice online shopping application is also really fun to use to look for items online. You see, the interface is very friendly. Important menus such as the menu used are also very easy to be accessed. In fact, you can choose color and size before buying goods very easily. You see, that information is available in full in the chat column. Unfortunately, this application has too many menus displayed on the homepage. So, for those of you who are the first to use the application would be confused. In addition, loading application was reported to be rather heavy. In fact, you have to log in first before buying. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for your nice attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.